In this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple tips that will help you get more views with SEO for video. Following these tips can increase your ranking on search engine results pages and get your videos in front of more potential viewers. Hey, everyone! We're going to discuss how to get more views using SEO for video. First, let's talk about choosing the right keywords. When ranking your video, you want to use keywords throughout the title, description, and tags. Second, you want to make sure your videos are mobile-friendly. With more and more people watching videos on their mobile devices, making sure your videos look good and play smoothly on all devices is essential. Third, add transcripts and captions. Captions help hearing-impaired viewers understand what's being said and help your videos rank higher on search engine results pages. Fourth, use an engaging thumbnail image. Your thumbnail is one of the first things people will see when they come across your video on search results pages, so make sure it's something that will entice them to click. And that's it. These 4 tips will help you get more views with SEO for video. Thanks for watching.